Hey guys, in this news update we want to talk about erectile dysfunction, ED, and 3 steps that you can use to reverse that. Now these are 3 steps unfortunately that most guys aren't really interested in doing, but let's take a look at them anyway. This is Arnold Broad at Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790, or you can leave me a message, a question in the comment section below this video. Now let's take a look at these 3 steps. Okay, here's step 1. Watch what you eat. A diet that's bad for a man's heart is also not good for his ability to have an erection. Research has shown that the same eating patterns that cause a heart attack due to restricted blood flow in the coronary arteries also impede blood flow to and within the penis. So that means changing your diet, cutting out junk food, cutting out tons of processed food, cutting out tons of red meat and processed meat products, hot dogs, lunch meats, that kind of stuff. Getting on some kind of a really healthy diet. 2 that come to mind are one's called the DASH diet and one's called the Mediterranean diet. But making some really improving changes in your diet, cutting out smoking would be a good thing. Losing weight, that would be a great thing. Here's another thing. Blood pressure and cholesterol control. High cholesterol and or high blood pressure can damage blood vessels, including those that bring blood to the penis. Eventually this can lead to ED. What happens is that the lining of the blood vessels get damaged. Your body starts losing the ability to produce nitric oxide, and you get poor blood flow. So blood pressure control, cholesterol control, vitally important. Here's something everybody loves. Exercise regularly. There's strong evidence that links a sedentary lifestyle to erectile dysfunction. Running, swimming, and other forms of aerobic exercise have been shown to help prevent erectile dysfunction. Get exercise, eat well, change your diet, watch your blood pressure, watch your cholesterol, watch your blood sugar levels. We didn't talk about that, but watch your blood sugar levels. These are all lifestyle things that will help reverse and help prevent erectile dysfunction. Now, I personally work at doing these things, but they're hard, as everybody knows. So I also do something called supplementation, and I do supplementation with something called nitric oxide therapy. The particular product I use is called Pro-Arginine Plus, but nitric oxide therapy is really important because it works at repairing the lining of the blood vessels so that your body can produce nitric oxide so that you get better blood flow. Now I have a really good video on nitric oxide therapy. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the comment section below this video and in the description below this video, so you can get to the nitric oxide video in those 2 ways. If you have any questions about the nitric oxide video, about this video or any of the videos on my channel, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you'd rather leave me a question, you can do that in the comment section below this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.